Okay, now we're gonna make pumpkin scones. For reference, my grandparents are coming into town this weekend, and so I'm gonna make a pie for them because I've been wanting to make that apple pie for a long time. I also am tasked with making brunch items for tomorrow, and I'm gonna make cinnamon rolls and then pumpkin spice coffee scones. Probably without the coffee icing because my mom doesn't like coffee. But anyways, it's from this book. It's supposed to look like that. So in this bowl, I have flour, sugar, ground ginger, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg. I think that's it. I might be forgetting something. Baking soda. Oh, I forgot to put that in there. That would have been bad. Hold on. Okay, it was 1 tablespoon of baking powder, which is the most baking powder I've ever put in something in my life. So I don't know if these are going to rise up like a beanstalk or something, but they're gonna go really high. So yeah, let's mix it. Okay, I feel pretty good about that. And here I have milk, pumpkin puree, and an egg. So I'm gonna mix that, and then I pour it in the well in the middle. I just realized I forgot to add the butter to the flour before I added in the pumpkin puree. Okay, here's the plan. So I kept the butter, oh crap, cut in the fridge, waiting until I needed to use it, which was before I put in the pumpkin puree. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pour it in there and then use scissors or like a knife or something and try to cut it into the mix so it kind of incorporates without creating too much gluten structure from the pumpkin puree. I feel like we can save this. I'm literally gonna use scissors, kitchen scissors. Okay, this is where we're at now that we've incorporated the butter. Obviously some of it's still really chunky, but I think it's okay actually. So I'm gonna turn it out and then start forming it. My plan is to turn it into a rectangle and then I'm gonna fold it on itself like 3 or 4 times so the butter's not in pieces, it's more like layered. It'll be good. I cut them kind of lopsided up there, but into 8. And so I'm gonna put them in the fridge until I'm ready to bake them. There's a lot of butter there, but I think it'll be okay. Good morning, or should I say good afternoon. It's 3:52, so it's very much afternoon actually. Basically, I woke up and we had like a leisurely brunch at noon where I made the cinnamon rolls. Oh, there's only 3 left. We started off with like 14, so we did well. I'm gonna make the pumpkin scones, but I'm just gonna make 1 to try because we already had brunch. So I kind of missed the mark on that, but let's try it. Okay, there it is. See all those butter layers? underside, top. It's a little crumbling apart, but it smells heavenly. It's kind of like a biscuit, honestly. I'm basically treating it like a biscuit. Okay. It looks marvelous. It's so good. I don't know if it's like a biscuit or wait, what was this supposed to be, a scone? Turned out more like a biscuit with how I incorporated the butter, but it's very good. Smells like fall. I feel like it was cooked really good, so. For what we ended up with here, I'm gonna give it like a 7.5, maybe more. Looks alone. I mean, she's a looker.